Hey friend, quick question. Are you tired of working hard but still feeling broke at the end of every month? I used to be just like that. I'd earn money and watch it all disappear with zero savings. But what if I told you that changing just a few daily habits could start making you rich? Today, I'm sharing 8 simple habits that will put you on the fast track to financial freedom. Let's jump in. Ever wonder why some people save money easily while others stay stuck? First habit, spend less than you earn. Look, the biggest problem is living above your means. You spend more than you make and suddenly you're borrowing just to get by. The easy action? Track every dollar for 1 week, then cut out the stuff you don't really need. For example, instead of buying coffee out every day, make it at home, or skip that impulse buy at the store. Do this and you'll have extra money to save and invest. Your bank account will thank you. Tired of having nothing left after bills? Second habit, pay yourself first. Most people pay everyone else first and save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. Instead, as soon as your paycheck hits, automatically move 10 or 20% straight to savings or investments, like setting up an auto transfer the same day you get paid. Real life example? Your salary comes in Monday morning, boom, money moves to your future before you even touch it. This builds discipline and wealth without you even thinking about it. What if your money could grow while you sleep? Third habit, start investing your money. Holding cash in a regular account does almost nothing. It doesn't grow. Simple action? Start small. Put money into low-cost index funds or even a high-yield savings to begin. Learn the basics and begin today, even if it's just $50. Imagine your friend invests $100 a month from age 25. By 45, it becomes a serious amount thanks to compounding. You can do that too. Does debt keep you feeling trapped? Fourth habit, avoid bad debt. Debt that doesn't make you money, like credit cards for clothes or vacations, eats your future wealth. Action, pay off high-interest debt fast, and only borrow for things that build wealth, like education or a business that generates income. Example, instead of financing a Nancy U car, buy a reliable used one and use the savings to invest. Free yourself from debt and watch your money work for you instead of the banks. Are small purchases secretly killing your wealth? Fifth habit, plug your money leaks. Those little daily spends add up fast. Subscriptions you forgot, eating out too much, random online shopping. Easy fix, review your bank statement every month. Cancel what you don't use, stick to a budget. Real example, that $15 monthly app you never use, gone. Those random Amazon buys, wait 48 hours before buying. Close these leaks and suddenly you have hundreds more every month for your goals. Do you have just one way to make money? Sixth habit, build multiple streams of income. Relying on only one job is risky. If it goes away, you're in trouble. Start simple. Keep your main job and add a side hustle you enjoy. Freelancing, selling online, or a small business. Example, work your 9 to 5, then create content or drive for rideshare on weekends. More streams mean more security and faster wealth building. Feeling pressure from friends to spend more? Seventh habit, ignore peer pressure. Don't buy things just because your friends have them. That big car or latest phone can destroy your finances. Action, stay focused on your own goals. Compare yourself only to where you were last year. Live example, your buddy gets a luxury watch. You feel the urge, but instead you invest that money. This keeps you on track to true success, not fake appearances. Want to get ahead faster? Eighth habit, keep learning about money. The rich never stop educating themselves on investing, business, and opportunities. Simple action, read one finance book a month or watch educational videos daily for 20 minutes. For example, learn about taxes, investing strategies, or starting a business during your commute. Knowledge gives you the edge to make smarter moves and spot opportunities others miss. You've got everything you need now. The biggest promise? Start with just one of these habits today, and you'll be shocked how fast your money situation improves. Pick the easiest one for you right now and take that first small step. Which habit will you try first? Drop it in the comments. I replied to every single one. Save this video so you can come back whenever you need motivation. If you want more simple ways to improve your life and money, hit subscribe and the bell. You've got this, my friend. I'll see you in the next one.